School, Nato, Sangay, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, John Kirby Dapro, Troop Commander, Thomas Larigo, Troop S1, Camilo Barone, Troop S2, Roy Villareno, Troop S3, Nathaniel Rivero, Troop S4, Major Leader, Gian Hielago, BBC Leader, John Aaron Arevalo, CTV Company Commander, Jesse Opel Maria, CTV Company Expo, Francis Calustre, Dick Francis Calustre, First Platoon Leader Girls, Joshua Silao, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Maria Zia Zapate, School Head Principal, Filomena Vergara, CTV. Assistant Maintenance Coordinator. Entry number 26. Nato High School, Nato, Sangay, Camarines Sur. Nato High School, Sangay, Camarines Sur.
Set a uniform ni Rai.
Also would like to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable City Councilor Omar Guaynape. Entry number 27, San Agustin Integrated School, San Agustin Libon Albay, Troop Commander and Staff, Lance Kupka, Troop Commander, Vance Gomba, Troop S1, Alexa Dumalata, Troop S2, Ana Leia Matula, Troop S3, Marina Joy Sokpai, Troop S4, Major Leader, Leona Latomeo, TVC Leader, Mars Steven Regalia, CTV Company Commander, Arvin Vasquez, CTV Company EXO, Hero Billy Bear, First Platoon Leader Boy, Jaime John Masalate, Second Platoon Leader Girl, Maricar Alcano, School Head Principal, Nick Casana, CTV Mato Basul Leader, Jonathan Palomino, Major School Leader, John D. Secopico, Entry number 27, San Agustin Integrated School, San Agustin Libon Albay. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable City Councilor Joe Perez. Also we have school principal. entry number 27, San Agustin Integrated School, San Agustin Libon Albay. Next entry number 28, Lupi National High School, Lupi, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Jonas Bayas, Troop Commander, Aaron Artuga, Troop S1, Mark Sunny, Aurora, Troop S2, Justin Bulloso, Troop S3, John Paul Maria, Troop S4, Major Leader, Ina Francine Layaga, Troop Leader, Adrian Maravidas, City Commander, Albert Penafora, City and Rika and Fabi, UMC Coordinator Band Director. Troop Commander and Staff, Lito Tarok, Troop Commander, Ronald Bodecario, Troop S1, Dani Cabay Francisco, Troop S2, Juan Sebenita, Troop S3, Israel Cicena, Troop S4, Major Leader, Rian Escalante, PBC Leader, Eman Clemeno, CTV Company Commander, Jeremy Alano, CTV Company XO, Emilio Delgado, First Platoon Leader Boys, Ivan Arca, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Angelica Gonzalez, School Head Principal, Darwin Barrientos, PhD, Between Hotel Facilitator, Francis Belza, Bill Barry Ordonez, Gabriel Santaneta, Second Coordinator, Charisse Choksoan, DCD, Back Director, Trainer, Joanne White, Cabalinada, Tigawang Cabalinada. I'd like to acknowledge Sir Casiano B. Perdigones Jr., OIC Chief, Field Technical Assistance Division, Deputy Regional Office 5, Bawis, Legazpi City. And we also have Dr. Darwin Arca. Number 29, Cabalinada High School, Cabalinada Tigawang Cabalinada School. Next entry number 30, Holy Trinity College of Kamsur Incorporated, Fortuna Street, Santiago Bato, Cabalinada Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Maria Janelle Francia, Troop Commander. Joros Cristobal, Troop S1, Andrew J. Ramos, Troop S2, Miyoki Legaspi, Troop S3, Mrs. Roma Legaspi, Troop S4, Major Leader, April Joy Camoral, BBC Leader, Ozen Pesebre, CTV Company Commander, Larry J. Kerubin II, CTV Company Exo, Sati Rance Oretta, First Platoon Leader Boys, Andy J. Solando, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Jenny S. Martinez, School President, CTV Master Facilitator, MC Larry J. Kerubin, Philippine Navy Reserve, Regiment Trainer, Mr. Jonino Sabalase, BBC DLC Trainer, Mr. Alvin. Thank you very much. Entry number 13, Holy Trinity College of Kamsur Incorporated, Fortuna Street, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 31, Santo Domingo Institute Incorporated, Santo Domingo, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff. Troop Commander John D. Villaflor. Troop S1, Les Arian Zamona. S2, Fiona Gwyneth Bermal. S3, James Niebra. S4, Arnold Lilia, Major Leader, Duane Erino, BBC Leader, Joseph Emmanuel Soliman, Company Commander, Sean Lesser Flores, Company Exo, Pizar Gracello, First Platoon Leader, Ray Maynard Abunada, Second Platoon Leader, Andrea Faye Gerlando, School Head, Abigail G. Tenoso, CTV Master Facilitator, Christian E. Panton, Major Coordinator, Sanse Dimabaya, DLC Coordinator, Robbie Urema, Commander, Leo Pinto, entry number 31, Santo Domingo Institute Incorporated, Philippine Eagles, Governor Kamsur. Entry number 32, Colegio del Santísimo Rosario Incorporated, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Brian Mayor Pelizardo, Troop Commander. 4, Major Leader, Jessica Patan, BBC Leader, Mr. Darren Densa Avedra, CTV Company Commander. Samuel David Joaquin. Facility Company Expo, Mark Francis Kata. First platoon leader boys, Alexander James Flores. Second platoon leader girls, Rexy Angela Balahoro. School head principal, Sister Wilma Bumacaba, OP, CTP Mater Facilitator, Mrs. Emma Leon Ganga. Majors Coordinator, Mrs. Shirley Lee. Nicole Rickman, BBC, BOC, Coordinator. And Mr. Ahmad Lagatus. Entry number 32, Colegio del Santísimo Rosario Incorporated, Limana, Camarines Sur. Tonight, the college consists of the Honorable City Councilor, Dr. Jess Albion. Thank you very much. Entry number 32, Colegio del Santísimo Rosario Incorporated, Limana, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 33, San Antonio National High School, San Antonio, Iriga City. Troop Commander and Staff, John Philip Isaac, Troop Commander, Alvin Panday, Troop S1, Cliff James Richard Gonzalez, Troop S2, Jenny Zavalia, Troop S3, AJ Bellon, Troop S4, Major Leader, Pearl Andrea Blanco, DVC Leader, Pearl Justine Sarmiento, CTV Company Commander, Aljun Canutar, CTV Company Exo, Ayla Shane Ibareta, First Platoon Leader Boys, Shenrik Paul Saguno, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Angel Villar, School Head, Principal, Salvacion Pervises, CTV Mater Facilitator, Eleuterio de Lima Jr., Melin Buere, Major Coordinator, Robert Villanueva, Teresa A. Morgan, Mariana Real, Jose Ibareta, DVC Coordinator, Land Director, Donna Bueno, Jovin Constancio, Berlin Ibareta. Entry number 33, San Antonio National High School, San Antonio, Iriga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 33, San Antonio National High School, San Antonio, Iriga City. Next entry number 34, Nabua National High School, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Justine Orante, Troop Commander, John Cedric Morillo, Troop S1, Angela Nicole Pandes, Troop S2, Francis Basinal, Troop S3. Eliska Mazbanwa, Troop S4. Major Leader, Jamaica Calvelo. Band Leader, John Andre Salvadora. MAPE Company Commander, Shaynard Hernandez. MAPE Company XO, Austin Emmanuel Clemente. First Platoon Leader Boys, Charles Ian Talagdag. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Benny Marie Pecundo. School Head, Principal, Moises Capita Jr., PhD. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Captain Lelaine Tolentino. Doctor of Education, Reserve Philippine Army. Maintenance Coordinator, Nikki Giselle Escolano. Band Coordinator, Band Director, Martina Senrante. Hiles Vance Senrante. Entry number 34, Nabua National High School, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 34, Nabua National High School, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 35, Santa Locada National High School, New Poblacion, Cabusao, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Dexter Josh Hada, Troop Commander. Mark Lloyd Edron, Troop S1. Mel Jamar Aladone, Troop S2. Jodel Naval, Troop S3. Leader, Destiny Jane Reyes. DVC Leader, Wendell Frank Hilo. CTV Company Kumapaisa. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Nika May Tijano. School Head Principal, Nelia Presbitero. CTV Coordinator, Raymond Jorinal de Mesa Jr. CTV Facilitator, Maria Catalina Camille Vival Ganado. DRR Facilitator, Melvina Barrientos. Majors Coordinator, Floyd Anthony R. Lopez. Assistant Major Coordinator, John Alvin Maravilla. DTC DLC Coordinator, Van Jackson. Gerald Avino. Assistant Ian Cosina. Cabusao, Camarines Sur. I'd like to acknowledge the high school principal of University of St. Anthony, Mrs. Anita Danis. And also I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Vice Mayor Josita Velus Diaz. School, New Poblacion, Abuso, Camarines School. Next entry. Entry number 36. Naga City Science High School, Balatas, Naga City. Troop Commander and Staff, Juan Miguel Antonio de Vera, Troop Commander. Maria Glyza Avila, Troop S1. Felix Marco Asuncion, Troop S2. Amy Nicole, Troop Duason, Troop S3. Ladders, 2nd Platoon Leader Girls, Ariana Ativo. School Head Principal, Erwin De Los Reyes. CTP, Cafe Facilitator, Larry San Jose. Majors and DLC Coordinator, Jennifer Micalier. Assistant Facilitator, Sebastian Papi. Itzi Ramirez, Lionel Beans Molino, Platoon Sergeant. Entry number 36, Naga City Science High School, Balatas, Naga City. Naga City Science High School, Balatas, Naga City. Next entry. Entry number 37, Tomas Avila Andayo Senior, National High School, Amamokok, Ragay, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Roy Vincent Alforte, Troop Commander. John Paulo Gayan, Troop S1. J. Mark Marabella, Troop S2. Princess Matibay, Troop S3. John Cesar Bormania, Troop S4. Major Leader, Rigo Ann Gabriel Boy. DBC Leader, Genevieve Rapira. CTV Company Commander, Laika Miranda. CTV Company XO, Maria Shara Casalio. First Platoon Leader Boys, Justin Earl Duane. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Marianne Saltin. School Head Principal, Lucila Martinez, PhD. CTV Cafe Facilitator, Sheila Naves Vanes. Major Coordinator, Mohamed Rosena. DBC Coordinator, Joy Valenzuela. Major Trainer, entry number 37, Tomas Avila Andayo Senior, National High School, Amamokok, Ragay, Camarines Sur. Asamalacta College, Dr. Francia. number 37, Tomas Avila Adaya Senior, National High School, Amomokpok, Barangay Tamarina Sur. Next entry, last but not the least, entry for Category 1. Entry number 38, Blessed Name of Mary College, Incorporated, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Jean Bueno, Troop Commander. Kurt Anton Embueso, Troop S1. Mike Andre Villanueva, Troop S2. Inigo Galvez, Troop S3. Gian Lawrence Gavino, Troop S4. Major and Leader, Mary Antoinette P. Paras. DBC Leader, Justine Carullo. CTV Company Commander, Latrell Matt Byron Enriquez. CTV Company EXO, NJ Tassis. First Platoon Leader Boys, John Michael Pajaro. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Scarlet Angel Floor. School Head Principal, Mrs. Noemi Magpuli. CTV Mape Facilitator, Gil Bueno. Major and Coordinator, Mayra Bayrante. DBC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Domingo A. Malares. Judge Renato Magpuli, Chairman of the Board. Attorney, Maureen Marvela Magpuli, Vice President of Administration.
Thank you. Entry number 38, Blessed Name of Mary College, Incorporated, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur. Entry number 1, Tinawagan.